Hello, good morning student. Today I will discuss equation of straight line in different form. So first form is point slope form. It is also known as one point form. Here we have a straight line passing through x1 y1 and we can take one point on the line p x comma y. Here p x comma y is variable point, not a fixed point. Okay, so here m is the slope and x1 y1 is point passing through line. Okay, so first of all I can find slope of line passing through these 2 points, point A and point B. What is slope? Slope of AP is equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, right? We know that slope of AP is m is equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, right beta? I can cross multiply y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here m is the slope and x1 y1 point passing through line. Okay, right? This form is called point slope form, okay, or one point form. Okay, here is it. So what is second form? Okay, second beta. Second form is 2 point form. Second form is 2 point form. Right beta? 2 point form. We have a straight line passing through 2 points, point A x1 y1 and point B x2 y2. In 2 point form, first of all I can find slope of line AB by using these 2 points. M of AB is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, right beta? Okay, and what is equation of AB? By using these 2 points, equation of AB, equation of AB is y minus y1 divided by m of AB. What is m of AB? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay beta? Y minus y1 is y2 minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, you can use point B. Answer is no change. Okay, again you can use option B, sorry, point B, equation of AB. Equation of AB is beta y minus y1 is equal to y minus y2 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x2. Okay, this form is called 2 point form. Erase it. So third form is beta. What is third form? Third form is intercept form. Third form is intercept form. Third form is intercept form. Intercept form. Okay beta? In intercept form, let x intercept is A and y intercept is D. Y intercept is B. This is x axis, y, x dash and y dash. Okay beta? Okay, here x intercept is A, origin, and y intercept is B. So this point is A and this point is B. Coordinate of point A is coordinate of point A basically beta A comma 0 and coordinate of point B is 0 comma B. Okay. We can find slope of line AB passing through A comma 0 and 0 comma B. Okay. Slope of line AB is, tell me, slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. What is y2? Y2 is b minus 0 divided by a minus 0 minus a. Okay beta, here b by minus a basically minus b by a, right? So okay, I can find equation of line AB by using 2-point form. Equation of line AB, equation of AB. Okay, equation of AB is y minus y1 is equal to m of AB into x minus x1, right beta? Y minus, what is y1? Y1 is 0 is equal to minus b upon a into x minus a, right? Here cross multiply, ay is equal to minus bx plus ab, ay is equal to minus bx plus ab. Okay, ay is equal to minus bx plus ab. Ay equal to minus bx plus ab. Okay, I can write ay plus bx is equal to ab, divide by ab, divide by ab. Here ay by ab plus bx by ab is equal to ab by ab. Okay beta, a cancel, b cancel, ab. Okay, so I can write here x divided by a plus y divided by b equal to 1. Okay, this form is called equation of straight line in intercept form. Okay, also written as x by x intercept plus y by y intercept is equal to 1. X by x intercept plus y by y intercept is equal to 1. Okay beta, very important. Okay, erase it. Okay, I am going to erase. Yes beta. Next form is form fourth. Very important, very important. Fourth form is beta normal form. Normal form. Okay beta, normal form. It is also known as perpendicular form. Okay, normal form or perpendicular form, right? So this x, y, x dash, y dash. Okay beta, this line. Length of perpendicular from origin is P. Length of perpendicular from origin is P. This angle is alpha. And this angle is 90 degree minus alpha. Okay, this point is P. M. This is A and this is B. Okay, beta? Right? Here P is length of perpendicular from origin. Length of perpendicular from origin, and alpha is angle made by OM line and OA line. Okay beta, angle made by OM and OA. Okay, divided by OM and OA. So here beta, in triangle OAM, in triangle OAM I can find cos alpha. What is cos alpha beta? Cos alpha is base upon hypotenuse. What is base? What is base is OM divided by what is hypotenuse. This is perpendicular. What is hypotenuse is? Hypotenuse is OA. Okay beta? Cos alpha is equal to, what is OM beta? OM is P divided by OA. Here OA is basically OA is P by cos alpha, means P sec alpha. P sec alpha. OA is P sec alpha. Okay. Coordinate of point A is, this is P sec alpha. Coordinate of point A is P sec alpha comma 0. Okay. Erase it, P sec alpha comma 0. Again in triangle OBM, in triangle OBM, cos 90 minus alpha. What is cos 90 minus alpha beta? Is equal to base upon hypotenuse. What is base? OM divided by OB. Okay, cos 90 minus alpha is sin alpha. What is OM? OM is basically P divided by OB. Okay, what is OB? OB is equal to P by sin alpha, means P cosec alpha. Okay, length of OB is P cosec alpha. Length of OB means P cosec alpha. It means coordinate of point B is P0, P cosec alpha. P cosec alpha. Okay, 0, P cosec alpha. So, okay beta, I can find equation of this line whose x-intercept is P sec alpha and y-intercept is P cosec alpha. Okay, so equation of line is beta x by x-intercept. What is x-intercept? P sec alpha plus y by y-intercept. What is y-intercept? P cosec alpha is equal to 1. Right beta? Here x by P sec alpha means x cos alpha by P. X cos alpha by P plus beta y sin alpha by P is equal to 1. Okay? Okay beta? Similarly, I can write here x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Okay beta? This is the equation of straight line in normal or perpendicular form. Here P is always positive. P is always positive. P is the perpendicular length from origin and alpha is the angle made by OM line and OA line. Okay? Erase it. Yes, I am going to erase it. Okay beta? Sixth beta, very important. Sixth is highly important for JEE mains and advanced also. Okay? Sixth form is parametric form. Parametric form. Okay? It is also known as distance form. Okay beta, here in parametric form here point, let point A beta x1 y1 and I can take one point on the line, point P is x comma y. Okay, here length of this x axis, y axis, x dash and y dash. This length is x1. Okay beta, and this length is x. Okay, here, and this length is, total length is y, and this length is y1. Okay beta, so this angle is theta, also no, this angle is theta. Okay, and this is perpendicular length. Okay, this length is x minus x1, and similarly this length is y minus y1. Okay, our distance from point A to point B, point A to point P. Okay, okay, first of all, in triangle this is M, this is N, and this is Q. In triangle APQ, in triangle APQ, what is cos theta? Tell me what is cos theta? Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. What is base beta? Base is x minus x1 by what is hypotenuse is r. Here, what is r is beta? R is x minus x1 by cos theta. Okay, r is x minus x1 by cos theta. This is equation number first. Again in triangle APQ, what is sin theta? What is sin theta beta? Y minus y1 by r. What is r? R is y minus y1 by sin theta. This is equation number second. Okay beta, any problem? From equation first and second. 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 I can write here x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to plus minus r. What is plus minus r? Why is plus minus r? Plus minus r means if you can take one point along the line, point lies above the line, then r is positive, and point line below the line, point lies below the line, then r is negative. Here for point r, for point p, for point p, for point p beta, r is positive, r positive. And for point r, for point r is negative. Okay, here r, what is r beta? R is a real parameter, real parameter, and theta is an inclination of line. theta beta, theta is inclination of line. Okay, this form is called equation of line in parametric form or distance form. That is, when r is real parameter and theta is inclination. Okay, thank you.